Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat ban problems. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat ban error, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter here. When you'll find it, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.